Bakit ka nga ba natatakot kapag hindi ka na needed? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Let's talk about identity. Kung sanay kang kailanganin, pakiramdam mo may halaga ka kapag may inaayos ka. Being needed feels like love, but often it's control disguised as appreciation. Why? Because real love doesn't need you broken. It wants you whole. You're not here to be everyone's solution. 3 practical moves gawin natin. Number 1, separate worth from your usefulness. Ihiwalay ang halaga mo bilang tao sa kung gaano ka kapaki-pakinabang sa iba. Number 2, stop proving your value. Itigil ang pagbibigay para lang mapatunayan na karapat-dapat kang mahalin. And number 3, choose mutual support. Piliin ang relasyon na parehong nagbibigay at tumatanggap. Tandaan mo to, hindi ka nawala ng silbi. Natuto ka lang maging buo. I'm Catherine Newcore and you're watching Real Talk Hustle where we turn pain into power.